Crypto Trading 101, Simple Charting Patterns Explained. Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following our channel. We can be found on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. Go ahead and like the video, support the video, comment on the video, subscribe to our channel. Bottom right hand corner, big subscribe button. Go ahead and subscribe to the video. We want to do a series, Crypto Trading 101. We realize that some people would, some of our users would gain a benefit from learning how to trade better. A lot of us have been affected by this bear market, and learning how to trade better is very important. So let's go into learning how to trade. Crypto Trading 101, Simple Charting Patterns Explained. In the world of crypto trading, recognizing patterns can yield more than insights. And I want to say shout outs to Sebastian Sinclair. These are very good articles that he wrote on Coinbase about Crypto Trading 101. Simple charting patterns explained. In fact, this skill is what traders use to determine the strength of a current trend during key market movements and to assess opportunities for entries and exits. In short, patterns can be useful in determining which direction price is likely to go. Further, they can help distinguish between what is real and what is false when a break occurs by using certain formations to dismiss particular price movements. However, you should dedicate a decent amount of time into getting to know particular patterns that form during different time frames around the particular asset you are interested in. The better you become at spotting these patterns, the more accurate your trades develop, with the added ability to dismiss false breakouts as they appear. Below are 3 examples to help you along your journey to mastering the charts. Number 1, head and shoulders. The infamous head and shoulders pattern is a bearish reversal pattern that signals to traders that there has been a particular change in the current trend. Identified by its 3 peaks, with the highest peak as the head, this is the head, and the other 2 peaks representing the shoulders. This is the shoulders. The pattern also features a neckline or trend line that is drawn between the 2 shoulders at the top of their respective peaks, showing the key support level you should look for in case of a breakdown. That neckline or trend line. Neckline represents the key support level right here. If the price is passed below the neckline and continues to fall, it is likely you are staring at a head and shoulders pattern completing this formation and bucking any current bullish trend. Generally, the price is likely to break down further once the pattern has been completed. The head and shoulders pattern usually provides the strongest confirmation on the daily or intraday 4-hour charts, as longer time frames offer up less conviction. This is a classic head and shoulders pattern. You can see you have the left shoulder here, you have the head in the chart, you have the right shoulder, and then as you can see, it breaks down into a bearish pattern as the price falls steadily. So that's just one general crypto pattern to look out for. It's the infamous head and shoulders pattern. And that also works in the inverse, where it becomes a bullish pattern. So you will flip this upside down and you'll have a shoulder, a head, and another right shoulder, and you'll have it going back up as well. Another pattern to look out for is the cup and handle. The cup and handle pattern is a bullish continuation sign identified by a bowl or a half-round cup that forms the basis of the pattern with relatively equal highs on either side of the edges. As you can see, you have a bowl here and another handle, and then you see as the price starts to rise. The handle should resemble a bull flag in which the price appears to be heading in the opposite direction of the current trend. This is usually followed by a continuation and a breakout from the bottom of the handle. While the cup and handle pattern formations are rare, they are best identified on the daily chart, as this avoids possible confusion with intraday cup handles that offer less conviction than their longer term cousins. So you would look at a cup and handle chart on the daily, and as you can see here, it forms a cup. And then we have our handle, and then we have the bullish continuation pattern right there. A third pattern to look out for is the double top. The double top pattern is one of the most recognizable and common charting patterns traders use to determine a change in the current trend. The pattern forms when the price attempts to test a particular resistance level and gets rejected, then goes on to trade sideways for a bit before attempting yet another rally to the same resistance level, whereby it is rejected a second time, sending prices into a deep recession. The pattern usually indicates a reversal in the current trend over a much longer period, where traders can expect prices to continue to fall. Double tops function over most time frames. However, they are best viewed and confirmed on the daily or weekly chart, as well as the higher intraday charts, such as the 4 or 8 hour. You can see we have a double top here, and then we have a bearish pattern back down. Conclusion. Remember, patterns are best used in conjunction with other indicators to add layers of confirmation to your analysis. They are a formidable tool to add to your trader's kit, so use them wisely and knuckle down for a hard study. Indeed, charting patterns are generally best used in conjunction with other technical tools such as the stochastic oscillator to help judge the momentum of a trend, and the candlestick analysis to determine an asset's current price action. And I will be reviewing those in future videos as well. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Let me know what you think about the Crypto Trading 101, Simple Charting and Patterns Explained. I think it's a great article. I think it's great to share with you guys, and these are some things that you can look out for when you're trading. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Like, subscribe, and comment on the video below. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. We appreciate your support.